Editing videos can be a bit overwhelming, right? But what if I told you that with Capcut for PC, you could make stunning edits without being a pro? Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Capcut to create amazing videos easily. Whether you're into making YouTube videos, TikToks, or just editing memories, Capcut has all the tools you need. Simple transitions, cool effects, and even text that matches the beat of your music. Stick around till the end, and I'll share some editing tricks that will instantly level up your videos. Let's jump in and start editing. Introduction to Capcut Basics. All right, let's get started by opening up Capcut on your PC. Once you open it, you'll see the main workspace. This is where all the magic happens. On the left, you have the media panel, where you can import your clips, images, and audio. On the bottom, there's the timeline, which is super important because it's where you'll arrange everything to bring your story to life. And on the right, you have the properties panel, which lets you tweak and adjust anything you add to your video. The first thing we need to do is import our media. Click on the Import button, then drag and drop your clips into the timeline. You can easily trim the clips by dragging the edges, so you keep only the best parts. Capcut's trimming tools are very user-friendly, so even if this is your first time, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Adding transitions between clips. Now that you have your clips in place, let's make them flow smoothly. We'll add some transitions to make sure everything looks connected. Click on the Transition tab. Capcut has a whole library of options, from basic fades to more dynamic ones. For beginners, I recommend starting with the crossfade transition. Just drag it between two clips and boom, your edit is instantly smoother. Experiment with different transitions to see what looks best for your video style. Using filters and effects to enhance your video next, let's talk about filters and effects. This is where your video gets its style. Head over to the Effects tab and browse through the categories. You might want to add a vintage look, or maybe you prefer something vibrant and colorful. Simply drag the effect you like onto the timeline above your clip and adjust its intensity in the Properties panel. This is a simple but powerful way to set the mood of your video. Capcut also has a wide range of filters that can instantly change the look and feel of your clips. If you want to give your video a consistent tone, adding a filter across all your clips can make a big difference. Adding text and music. Now that our visuals are coming together, let's add some text and music. Click on the Text button and choose from a variety of styles. Whether you're making an intro or adding subtitles, Capcut makes it easy. Simply type in your text and adjust the font, size, and color. You can even add animations to make the text pop, like having it slide in or bounce for extra attention. Next up, let's add music. Go to the Audio tab and either choose from Capcut's library or import your own music. Place your audio track on the timeline and make sure it fits well with your video. You can adjust the volume so it's not overpowering, and even add keyframes to fade the music in and out for a professional touch. Using keyframe animation for dynamic movements, let's spice things up a bit with keyframe animation. Don't worry, it sounds complex, but Capcut makes it super easy. Keyframes allow you to create movements like zooms or pans. For example, if you want to zoom in on a subject, place a keyframe at the start of where you want the zoom to begin, and another one at the end where you want it to stop. Capcut will automatically create a smooth zoom effect between those points, adding a cinematic feel to your video. Adding stickers and overlays. To add some fun, you can include stickers and overlays. Capcut has tons of stickers you can add, like emojis or decorative graphics. To add a sticker, go to the Stickers tab, pick the one you like, and drag it onto your timeline. You can resize and position it wherever you want. Stickers are a great way to add personality, especially if you're making something lighthearted or entertaining. Color grading for a consistent. To give your video a polished look, let's talk about color grading. This isn't as hard as it sounds. Click on your clip, and in the Properties panel, adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and temperature to get the look you want. Capcut makes these adjustments simple with easy sliders, and you can see changes in real time, so you'll know exactly what your video will look like. Exporting your finished video. Once you're happy with your edit, it's time to export. Click the Export button at the top right of the screen. Here, you can select the resolution and quality settings. If you're uploading to YouTube, 1080p at 30 frames per second is usually a good choice. After selecting your settings, click Export, and Capcut will render your video. And there you have it, a complete video edit using Capcut for PC. You've learned how to trim clips, add transitions, use filters, incorporate text and music, and even color grade your footage. Wrap Up Capcut makes video editing straightforward and fun, even if you're just starting out. Now that you know the basics, you can start experimenting and adding your own creative twist. Editing is all about practice, so keep working on different projects, and you'll see your skills grow quickly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of edits you're working on, or if there's anything else you'd like to learn in Capcut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.